Hello children, welcome to another lesson of EVS, lesson number 16, the earth and the sky. This week we are going to learn this chapter. First of all, see this. These pictures are shown to you and this table is there. You have to find out all these elements in this table. So sun is there. Can you see where is sun? I have already done it for you. S-U-N, sun. So you need to put a circle around it. Sun. It is not actually circle. This way you will form it. Moon, stars, bird, clouds, rainbow and rocket. You need to find all these in this table. So do it at home. Next one. Next, what we are going to study. Children, what do you see in the sky at daytime? You all can answer this question. You can see sun during the daytime. And what do you get from sun? You get heat and sunlight. You can answer this also. I know you are very intelligent. And during night time, what do you see? Can you tell? Yes, you are right. All of you. Moon and the stars. And where do we live? In which planet we are living? Can you tell me? Yes, fast. Yes, Earth. Oh, very nice. Intelligent children. So we are going to read about them today. There are many objects in the sky. During the day, the sky is blue in color. The sun shines during the day. At noon, the sun is brightest. During night, the sky is dark. That you all know. At night, sky is dark. And we see the moon and the stars. What happens when it rains? The sky becomes dark. It is covered with clouds and clouds bring rain. Do you like rainy season? Some of you may like or some of you may not. Let's move on. One by one we'll read about all these. The sun, the moon, the stars, the earth and our solar system. So the sun is a star. Do you know the sun is a star? It is the star closest to the earth. There are many stars in the sky, but sun is the nearest to the earth. Understood? So we can see it, and it also looks small, but it is very big in size. It gives us heat and light. From which direction the sun rises? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Understood? Rises in the east and sets in the west. And without the sun, we can't live. We can't live because of sunlight only the plants grow. And when the plants will grow, then only we'll get food, na? So children, sun's light is very important for us. Now comes the moon. The moon is seen during the night time. The moon is round in shape, but it regularly changes its shape. Can you tell me what all shapes are you able to see? Okay, first of all, let me tell you something about moon and then we'll move to the shapes. The moon is round in shape and it is smaller than the earth. Clear? It is smaller than the earth in size. It does not have lights of its own. Light of its own. It does not have. But it takes the light from the sun. Actually, the thing is the sun's light falls on it, so it appears to us. We can see it. Understood? And there is no light of its own. It has no air or water. So there is no life on the moon. Moon goes around the earth. Moon goes around the earth. It revolves around the earth. Now, phases of the moon. You can see these shapes. These are called the phases of the moon. The shape of the moon keeps changing. It is different on different nights. It is because we can see only that part of the moon which receives sunlight. Clear? These changes in the moon shape are called phases of the moon. Sometimes we see the full moon, sometimes half moon, sometimes crescent moon, and sometimes new moon. Clear? New moon day. That is actually the thing is that time we are not able to see the moon. Now, children, can you tell whether can you tell me who was the man first man on the moon? Who stepped on the moon first? Neil Armstrong was an American astronaut. He was the first human to step on the moon on 21st July 1969. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian astronaut to go into space. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into space. Understood? Now, the stars. There are many stars in the sky. They have light of their own. Some of these stars are even bigger than the sun. They look very small because they are very far from us. Clear? We cannot see the stars in the daytime because the sun's light is very bright. Clear? The earth. We live on the planet earth. You all know, children. It is a big ball. It is spherical in shape and the earth moves around the sun. Can you see this picture? This is earth. Earth consists of three things: land, air and water. About 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Means more of the part is having water. So, Earth is also called the blue planet. Understood? Why the Earth is called the blue planet? Because most of its part is covered with water. The Earth's surface is not the same everywhere, children. At some places it is plain. Somewhere it has got mountains. At some places plateaus are there and deserts are there. You might have heard about deserts. Understood? So it is not plain everywhere. The earth is not the same everywhere. The earth is surrounded by the layer of air, which is called atmosphere. What is it called? Atmosphere. So, can you imagine living without the air? No, not at all. That's why there is life on earth. Animals, plants and human beings live on earth due to the presence of earth, water and life is possible on earth due to the presence of air, land and water. Understood? Now comes our solar system. Our solar system is made up of the sun and the 8 planets. What is the name of those planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto was earlier there, but now it is not there. So till Neptune you have to learn. together form the solar system. Clear? Let us repeat the names of the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Clear? Turn the page, children. This picture shows the solar system. This is sun and all the planets are moving around the sun. Day and night. The earth revolves around the sun. The part of the earth that faces the sun has day and the other part that does not face the sun has night. It is understood? Clear? Now, how can you save the planet Earth? How can you save the planet Earth? Earth is the only planet which has plants. And Earth has life. No other planet has life. So how can you save our planet Earth? Always we talk about it. Save the planet Earth, save the planet Earth. So we have to plant more and more trees because trees give us oxygen and we should not waste water. Clear? And switch off the lights when they are not in use or when they are not required. Keep your surroundings clean. You need to keep your surroundings clean. Treat animals with love and care. Do you all love animals? I hope all of you will say yes. And do not litter the places where you live. In class also, you have to keep the class neat. Home also. Are you keeping your home neat and clean? Keeping the things at proper place? So that means you are keeping your surroundings clean. Is it clear? Similarly, think that as if our earth is our home. So you have to keep the earth neat and clean. With this, we finish this chapter. Children, read the lesson once again. We will discuss the exercises and question answers in the next video.